Okay. And you make it on the gas because the oven takes, we have to save electricity. We have to save
But
electricity.
many minutes.
Yeah, it takes long hour, like it takes long time.
Many minutes. Yes, long time.
Long time. So, and it takes electricity. So we have to save electricity. Otherwise, our father has to pay electricity bill, right? Isn't it? And also we have to how do we get electricity? How do we get electricity?
In water.
From
Water.
water.
Air.
Yes.
Air. Sun.
Sun. Yes. In our country. Yes. In our country, mainly we get from water. So if there's no rain, no electricity.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can we live without electricity?
No.